Friends, so today we are going to make simple chicken curry without onions. It's very quick to make and at the same time it's very easy to make and also it will come out very delicious. These are the ingredients which we are going to use for our chicken curry recipe today. You can get the list of these ingredients from the video description box. Okay, so let's start making our chicken curry recipe for today. Take a grinder and put all the whole spices in this. Now we'll grind it to the fine powder. Now keep aside till further usage. Now again take a grinder and put garlic and ginger into it and again grind them. After grinding, keep it aside till further usage. Now take some water in a pressure cooker, around 1 glass of water, and put all the powdered spices as well as salt into it. Add in our chicken pieces, give it a good mix and close the cooker. Now switch on the flame and turn it to low and let's wait for 2 to 3 whistles, then we will proceed further. Now take a pan or wok or kadai and add some edible oil into it. Once heated, add curry leaves as well as chopped green chili, followed by ginger and garlic. Give it a good mix and let them fry for few seconds, 30 to 40 seconds, or till the raw smell of ginger and garlic goes away. Now add tomatoes, mix them and let them cook till tomatoes are well cooked. That means tomatoes start turning or start becoming mushy. Add our grinded spices. That means grinded whole spices. Give it a good mix and let them cook for a minute. Now transfer the contents of the pressure cooker, including the water and the chicken pieces, into the wok. Mix the chicken pieces well. After mixing, turn the flame to high and let the water escape. When the water has escaped by considerable extent or as per your gravy requirement, add curd into it. Give it a good mix. After mixing, let it cook for a few minutes, for around 5 to 6 minutes, till gravy thickens as per your requirement. Once the gravy is thick as per your requirement, add fresh coriander leaves, put a mix, add garam masala, again give it a mix and switch off the flame. Now we will transfer our chicken gravy to the serving dish. Here is your chicken curry or chicken gravy without onions is ready to eat. If you like the recipe, then please do like our video and also please share it and also please subscribe our channel for new updates. Enjoy your chicken curry and thank you for watching and have a good night.